Hello everyone, my name is Bree and welcome to Documented Journey. Today is a flip through of my sketchbook that I have had going for over a year, I think. And so yeah, I just wanted to flip through here and chat a bit. This sticker is by Cat Rails. I will list her in the description box for you. But this sketchbook, I do have like photos of my family. I just covered them up, so I tried to keep them as small as possible so it's not distracting. But this sketchbook was something that I did and sketched in a lot. I separated my sketchbook from my journal because I wanted to share with you sketches and things like that because I don't normally share my journal. But what ended up happening is I ended up getting out of the habit of sketching. I actually got more into my journal than my sketchbook, and this kind of just became something that I didn't pull out all the time. This is a field note size. I absolutely love this size. It's a good size for you wanting to just go to the park with your kids and finishing a page. You really feel accomplished when you sketch something like this, something like this. So this right here is actually a sticker that I made in my shop, and things like this is where those types of stickers come from, is just pulling them right out of my sketchbook. I use 68 GSM Tomo River paper in here. It is my absolute favorite. I kind of wish that I could find it with dot grid, just the sheets, so that way I can use it as a bullet journal as well. But I can't. These paints, these like collection of sketches were done with the Letter Sparrow paints, my very first collaboration with her. These were the paints that I chose, and so these were kind of like the illustrations that I did using those paints. This I'm getting into fall and trying different things for fall, just seeing what I can come up with. I love this onion. I like to draw food. Some sketches I don't watercolor, and it doesn't happen often. These I think were possible. I have a few that I did on Instagram Live. This was on the sticker sheet for spring. This was also on the sticker sheet for spring. I have the orange blossom as a sticker as well. I like seeing them like come to life into sticker form. I have this tulip. These two were actually for the spring of 2020. This was a Instagram Live video. I pull some inspiration from Florals Your Way, and I did an Instagram Live on how to sketch this, and people kind of did it with me. This was when I bought some of the gouache paints that I have. Not a fan. Sketching, this I did on a video actually here, just sketching for my sticker sheets. This is my back patio. This is what I used to do in my journal / sketchbook, and I kind of got out of that, and I want to bring that back. I really like this. You might see that one again. Sketching my house plants. This is a house plant. I'll show you him. Here he is. He's so little. It's a monstera, but it's like a what is it called? Swiss cheese type of thing. I don't really know what it's called. I love that bird. You'll probably see him again too. He is so cute. I did this as a tutorial here on YouTube. I can list that in the description box. It's fun to follow along, I think. We are still house hunting. If you have followed along in my journey for a while, you know that my husband and I have been looking for a house for way too many years. But this was one that we saw, liked, and did not get, sadly. Anytime I want to try and get back into sketching, I sketch my supplies. I no longer have this Twisby. I sold it, but I still have this Lammy Nux. I just recently posted this on Instagram. I like him. A lot of people say I don't share my animal drawings very often, and that is true. I don't think I'm as good as drawing botanicals, but just practicing drawing my coffee cups here. And I did this on YouTube just recently as well. I love how it turned out. It's just some plants on my desk, and then I think the last page is blank. So that is a finished sketchbook. All I'm going to do back here is write about my feelings about the sketchbook and what I'm going to do next time, like different. So this is that sketchbook, and then I am not going to be starting another one of the pocket. I'm going to use what I have. So I have this sketchbook that I've been in for quite a while. I used to call it like my practice sketchbook. You guys have kind of seen it. I'm going to finish this up. I've got a sketch to finish here. That's just my back patio again. I think I did this on camera for you guys just recently, just a short one. And then I have a few pages left, and then I'll move on. But yeah, I'm really excited to finally finish this up, and I am going to hopefully show you and do more sketches in the future, if not in my journal in this guy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this flip through, and until next time, I'll see ya.